In this video, we'll show you how to control your YouTube experience on TV using a TV code. To get started, launch the YouTube app on your TV. Go to Settings, and then find Link with TV Code. You should see a blue TV code appear on your screen. Now it's time to grab your phone or tablet to move on to the next steps. On your phone or tablet, open the YouTube app. Tap your account icon and then tap Settings. Now select Watch on TV. Under the Link with TV Code section, tap Enter TV Code. Take the blue TV code and enter it on your phone or tablet. You can now use your phone or tablet to control your YouTube experience on TV. And that's it! Subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks.